So, so my daughter is going to be filming me today for the intro part of it, because I'm going to be filming her and her friend for the remaining part of this video. So we are going to be baking cake. I haven't done baking in a long time, but today we are going to be baking a simple cake at home. My name is Lynn Zabu. In case this is your first time to see me on your screen, I post lifestyle, charity, building, anything that I get my hands on. So please consider subscribing. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I owe you one. Thank you so much for making my world a better place. So, let me show you. Give me the phone. So I have these two beautiful girls today. What is your name? But you're speaking very slowly.
My name is Fiona.
Fiona who?
Namyanja Olivia Fiona.
Namyanja Olivia Fiona. And then you? What is your name? Babiya Gloria. So, for the past, I don't know how long, Gloria has been telling me she wants to bake, Mommy, I want to bake. And truth be told, I haven't been feeling myself for the longest time. So today is a Sunday and we decided to go straight into it. So this is what we have. We have vanilla extract. You're going to be holding. Whatever you hold, I tell them. You come closer. Come closer. Okay. Whatever you hold, I tell them. Fiona, hold. We have Blue Band. And Blue Band is going to be helping us in mixing things. Show us something else. This we are done with Blue Band. This is color. I really want my cake to be color green. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color? Color red.
You like color red? But for me, this is my favorite color. Next time, we are going to buy Fiona's favorite color. Show us something else. And that's baking powder. This is the normal baking powder that we've been using forever. Forgive us about the flies because it's cold and so many things are happening. Anyway, the baking powder is for making our cake bigger. Yes, I don't know how they say it in English. How do they say it in English? Big. Okay, I'll take your word. And then what we have? We have black reasonings, and this is to make, they call it a bibala in Luganda. How do they call that? Okay, what else do we have? And we have our wheat. Yes, this is going to be our wheat. What else do we have? We have milk. That is 1 cup of milk. And then we have our eggs. Gloria, come get the eggs. We will use the downer tray because it's the older one. Yes. Okay, we have our eggs from our farm. Gloria, you bring a spoon, a fork. Yes, that one. And then bring a fork and a spoon. Please be a bit quick. Then bring sugar. Bring sugar as well. Yes, the big tin. Okay, I don't know if that will be enough. So we have all the ingredients that is needed for us to start on our cake journey. So I'm going to be instructing these beautiful girls of mine to be doing everything for me. So I'll just chill. Babide, what do we start with? Where do we put it? Where do we put it? That one, the blue band. Please be a bit quick, don't be too slow. Get 4 spoons. No, you don't remove like that. Hey, my friend. Put there. 1 full. Make it full, please. 2. You give to Fiona to measure for us the sugar. You first remove the cover. Place here so we don't have to pour things on our carpet. First remove this one. Put full. Full. Okay. Pour here. That's enough. So you girls are going to stir until it becomes milky. Sacho? Okay, you begin now. You begin. You are going to use that one. Okay. Did a tabula. When one gets tired, the other one starts. Chacho? As Fiona is mixing our ghee and blue band and sugar, Gloria, come and sit here. You're going to break the eggs. You're going to break 6 eggs and put them here. 6 of them. Break another one until there are 6. Put here. Okay. Another one. Guys, it really feels nice to be doing this with my girls, but also very nice that the eggs we are using are from our farm. I'm very happy. Paka, you're supposed to do until they turn milky. You see how hard it is when you're asking for cake. How many are those so far? You're done? Okay. You're going to heat them until they get foam, like serious. Awutali mukuba tula na bulungi oterere. Tula bulungi wansi oterere. So let me take this back for you. Until they create foam. Foam chechi mu Luganda. Okola ekyovu. Foam is kyovu. Let me see how far you've gone. Okay, hold for me here. I'll show you how they do it. see the foam? Yeah, so now that it has created foam, everything is done. Abidi. So my daughters have gone for lunch, but by the time they come, I have to preheat our oven. And we see I've made a lot of mistakes, to be quite honest with you. To be quite honest with you, I've made a lot of mistakes, but that's how you learn. That's how you learn. So I'm going to come to Salad Tourist to teach me how they do it. I'm going to remove this. Yeah, I'm going to remove this and put it on top here, and then get this one and put it in here. Yep, and then I'll leave it to preheat. Focus, Bobby. You come and we do this one. So guys, balinga bekuba omu bw'alinnyira bonna nga bajja. Kano nakerabiddeko. Okay. So guys, here is our cake. Here is our cakes, but your girl burnt it. If it was a marriage, they will have chased me out of the marriage today. See how bad I burnt it. Baby, did you like the cake? May you open this other one? Open this one. Open that one. Just pull out the paper like tree. Pull from here. Pull from here and we see if we burnt that one as well. Yay! When you put it down, we want to see the downside. Okay, let's take there where the space is big. Onete de energy. Yeah. Open, let us see. Let us see. You remove all the papers. Don't fear. Touch the cake. You are the one who made it. Yay! Is it looking nice? Do you like it? Are we going to bake another one soon? You are very quiet. Yay! Let's see. You remove even this one slowly. You see? Yay! Anyway, it's looking amazing. Okay, we shall finish up with this one later. But guys, this is our cake. It's looking marvelous. I nearly burnt this side. But anyway, we shall keep practicing again. You remove this one as well. I'm sure we burnt that one. Oh no! Yay! Just remove this one. Yay! Yay! Guys, this is nice. It's nice. We are going to be baking cake. How was that? It's called a birthday cake. So we are not making we are not buying birthday cakes anymore. We shall be getting from there. Eh? If you're not going to meet. Guys, I think this one came out a little bit better because it's not burnt. It's looking very nice. Yeah, I'm super happy. The only problem is that it has a bit of sugar. But yeah, these are our cakes. Hey, guys, I nearly forgot to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. The girls ran already. They want to go take a shower as their cake cools down so they can eat it happily. They're very happy. I'm happy I spent time with them. There's so many things I couldn't record for you because there are so many things that was going on. I don't think I can do cooking vlogs very well, but anyway, the cakes came out well. They're a bit too sweet, but next time better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to test the cake, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in another one. Bye. Bye.